I'm Troy with WNS. We've created ram removal tools for high-pressure rod BOPs to help safely remove rams. Depending on well conditions, these rams can become stuck and hard to safely pull out of the ram cavity. So we've designed and patented these tools to eliminate pinch points. We have this tool designed to be used with our Longhorn style BOPs, and we have another model designed for use with our 500 TR threaded BOPs and all of our dual ram BOPs in both 5M and 10M working pressures. As you can see, operating these is simple and makes extracting rams to replace seals a breeze. But we'll leave a link to the detailed instructions in the comments on our YouTube page. These also work with their respective combo units. You can find these in your local pump shop or supply store. If not, reach out and we'll link up with your preferred distributor. Also, these are a complimentary gift option that we can get to you with the purchase of any of our high-pressure stuffing boxes, BOPs, or combos upon completion of online warranty registration. Thank you for choosing WNS.